Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. Beautiful day today in northern Huntington, Long Island. Got a box the other day from Amazon.com. It's a new review product that I'm doing today, and this is a portable tire inflator. This is very useful for my channel. As you guys know, my channel basically consists of acquiring for free small engine equipment, tractors, lawnmowers, all that kind of stuff, and I flip them. I'm a flipper, and so most of the equipment that I get, usually lawn tractors, lawnmowers, there are items that all have pneumatic tires that require air. A lot of the times when I get stuff for free, tires are in terrible shape, so therefore there are slow leaks, big leaks, what have you. And previously, I would conveniently have to go to my backyard, and I would use like a jumper pack or something with an air compressor in it, right? But this is cumbersome, it's big, it's heavy, and sometimes when the battery's not charged, it won't work. So this was my best alternative, right? Short of dragging out my large commercial air compressor to the backyard with a cord powered to the house. It was inconvenient. So I'm gonna open up this box right now and show you what I got. Plastic film. So this is called the Audew. Sounds French. Spelled A-U-D-E-W. Audew. Nice box. Heavy too. Feels like a pound and a half. Very good quality packing here. So this is what it looks like. It about the size of a larger iPhone, but maybe 5 times as thick, right? Has an input for a threaded hose, I believe. There's a light. I don't know what that is. I'll figure it out in a minute. USB input. And it, like I said, it's pretty heavy. Over here, it almost looks like an iPod type of selector. OK, brightness, M, I guess. I don't know what that is. Memory, positive and negative buttons that click. Rubber feel to it. The casing it feels of high quality, believe it or not. Here we have the instruction manual. Get out of here, we don't read instructions around here. It's like your wife asking you, why don't you ask him for directions? No, because we want to try to figure it out ourselves, right? Aside from the directions and a customer service card, you have a long cord here for your cigarette lighter, so it's portable for you to charge or power through your vehicle if you ever need it. Very, very, very cool. They make these power packs, this size these days, where there's a lithium battery in it. You could just plug it in and you can jump your car battery, They make things so small now and convenient. And so I'd be curious to see how this works in terms of pumping up air, because as you guys know with air compressors, right, you need some kind of motor in here for the power to generate a piston that's pumping air outwards, and this just seems so small. I mean, preliminarily, I'm thinking that this is not going to have enough power to pump up a tire. I mean, that's just what I'm thinking, but I could be mistaken. Technology these days, very impressive, Here's another cord. It's for a USB input. You can plug it into your cell phone charger or your laptop computer, or, they make a lot of things now with USB outputs to power. So that's that. So cigarette lighter and USB power. You have that nozzle to put onto the stem of the air valve. And like I said before, this input here is to screw on the hose. It's obvious. You guys don't need directions to figure that out, right? It wasn't going in because I was screwing it into the power jack. Here's the brass threaded one, okay? It teaches me not to read instructions, huh? Anyway, so that goes in nice and tight and very solid, actually, you know? What else is in the box is this bag of assorted nozzles. Another brass threaded one. The pin kind where you can inflate your football, your soccer ball, and all that. Or like they say in England, football. And you can inflate like inflatable things for your pool, you know, those attachments. But for today's purposes, we're just gonna need this to put on a nozzle for the your tire. So I got it plugged in here, the nozzle at least. Usually items that come to me for review and unboxing videos, they're fully charged when they get to me. So I'm just gonna press OK and see. Sometimes you hold it down for 3 seconds, nothing's happening. So looks like I might have to read the instructions. I'm pressing each button over 3 seconds. Oh, okay. M. I turned on M, and there's a digital display. So I'm in my backyard. As you can see, this is my lawn tractor that's called Rodimus Prime. It's 4-wheel steering. It's pretty cool. But I haven't used it in a long time because it doesn't really mow that well. Anyway, as you can see, this left rear tire is completely flat. It's dry rotted, has some cracks and stuff, but so look, I got this set to 10 psi, right? Let's press OK. Wow. Feels very powerful, guys. So we're just gonna put this on here and see how long it takes for me to pump this up. Here we go. Okay, so it just stopped. I mean, I think some air went in there, but it stopped and it said low, as in low battery. Stopped again, blinking low. So it looks like I might have to charge this battery more before I plug the power cable into a USB adapter. As you can see, it's still on. You know what? Before I had the light on, so that might have been taking up some juice, but either way, we're going to plug it in anyway. See if it charges. Okay, so I went and looked at the directions, and it shows that there is an indicator, red light on the thing for charging, blue when it's done. Sure enough, I came over here, and there is indeed a red light on it. It pays to read the instructions. While we're waiting for the battery to charge, might as well make use of my time. So another reason why I should read the instructions, because it gives you a lot of information that you normally wouldn't know. So it has 3 2000 mAh lithium batteries inside, and also that USB output, you can actually charge your phone with it, you know, in case you were in a bind. When I first started doing this, I couldn't tell whether or not the battery was fully charged until I read this meter over here. When I first got it, it was at a half moon level, which means the battery was completely low. So it takes 3 to 5 hours to charge it up to that signal right there, and right now it's at there. So it was only like half an hour and it was already here, so I don't think it'll take 3 to 5 hours, but that's what it says. You can see the pressure range, right? This material is actually aluminum alloy. It's a DC 12 volt. Power is rated at 60 watts, right? The pressure range is you can inflate items from 3 to 150 psi, which is almost high pressure, you know? That's very good quality. So it's been about 3 hours. As you can see now, the top part here is a full bars. So now it should be good to pump it up And let's just see how long it takes to pump this up. So, we got it to 10 psi, and it took about 5 minutes for this to pump completely. But I think it's because this thing was so flat that there was some dry rot cracks over here, which caused air to still come out. So I lifted it up and rotated the wheel so that the crack wasn't cracked anymore, and then it started to fill up a lot faster. So while it took 5 minutes to get 10 psi, I think if it wasn't for the cracks, it would have filled up a lot faster. So it works very well. I like it a lot. The digital display and everything, as you can see, it's dropped down to 9, so I think this tire is DONESKI. But we know that this thing works great, and for it being such a small size and stuff, I think it's just wonderful. I can just throw this in my glove compartment of my car in case I ever need it, you know? So this thing sells for $49.99 on Amazon.com with free shipping. I think that's pretty cool. It's so small and portable. Does exactly what you need it to. Throw the charging cable in here, throw it in your glove compartment, and forget about it. Whenever you need it, you know it's in your car. Check the link in my description. I might have a promo code for you to save a few bucks. So this is my Audew portable tire inflator. It does a lot in a small little package. It's very good quality, heavy duty, and it's now fully charged for whatever you need it for. Thanks a lot for joining me on this review of my new tire inflator. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video, and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.